Did you know that car accident settlements in Oregon and Washington are changing faster than ever? Rising medical costs, aggressive insurance tactics, and even AI are reshaping how much victims receive after a crash. If you've been involved in a car accident, this is something you need to understand. I'm Louis Landerholm with Pacific Cascade Legal, serving clients across Oregon and Washington. Today, I want to walk you through the latest trends in car accident settlements in our states and what they mean for you. If you or a loved one has been injured in a crash, this information can help you understand the process and make informed decisions. Though for advice specific to your case, it's always best to reach out directly. Let's start with what's driving settlements higher these days. Medical costs, vehicle repair expenses, and even inflation are pushing attorneys to negotiate more aggressively for fair compensation. At the same time, insurance companies are relying heavily on technology and AI to evaluate claims, and that often means they may challenge claims that lack detailed documentation. Studies show that roughly 40% of personal injury claims can be denied, so strong evidence is critical. Documentation matters more than ever. Medical records, expert testimony, lost wages, and even the emotional toll of your injuries can all impact your settlement. Courts are increasingly recognizing non-economic damages, meaning pain, suffering, and emotional distress, are becoming a bigger part of settlement negotiations. Now let's look at the difference between Oregon and Washington. Oregon follows a modified comparative negligence system. That means if you are partially at fault, your settlement can be reduced proportionately, and in some cases, you may not recover at all if your fault is too high. In Washington, it's pure comparative negligence. You can recover damages even if you are mostly at fault, though your payout is reduced by your percentage of responsibility. Settlement ranges vary by severity. Minor injuries in Oregon typically settle between $5,000 and $20,000, while severe injuries can reach $1 million or more. In Washington, minor injuries average around $6,800, moderate injuries around $25,000, and severe injuries can approach $490,000. Both states require minimum insurance coverage, but these amounts often don't fully account for medical bills, lost wages, or long-term care. Another trend is insurers scrutinizing treatment plans more closely. Delays in prior authorizations, narrow networks, and strict medical necessity reviews can affect your recovery and even influence how much you get in a settlement. Insurers may use your adherence or lack thereof to recommended treatments to argue you are partially at fault, which ties back into comparative negligence law. So what does this mean for you? If you've been injured in a car accident in Oregon or Washington, it's important to document everything. Understand how fault affects your claim and be prepared for detailed negotiations. Staying informed about settlement trends can help you make the best decisions for your case. If you want guidance on your personal injury claim or need help navigating insurance tactics, reach out to us at Pacific Cascade Legal. We're here to help you understand your rights and ensure you get the compensation you deserve. If you like this information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay informed for all the latest updates on personal injury news in Oregon and Washington.